So today we are going to make some bacon, not just to eat, but to also just store in the refrigerator for a quick sandwich if you're hungry. You have it in the refrigerator already made up. I don't think I'm gonna make all 3 packages, but probably will make 2. So what we're gonna start out is get yourself a cookie sheet, wrap it in aluminum foil, get your oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna put the bacon onto the cookie sheet. I do not have my tripod today, I'm sorry folks, but the old man has them in his truck. He videos the soccer games, so he forgot to leave me with at least 1 tripod. So we'll be right back in a quick second. So after you wrap your cookie sheet, put your bacon on your cookie sheet. There's 12 pieces there. Oven's at 400. We're gonna pop this right into the oven now. And we're going to bake that in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, depending on your oven, how quick it takes. I usually cook my bacon until it's nice and crispy, a little bit underdone, because I do microwave this to reheat it for sandwiches and to add to other meals. So we'll be back in about 15-20. So how do you wake up a deaf dog from a dead sleep? You make bacon. That is our foster child. So these have been cooking for 13 minutes, and my son just actually came out and said, "Ma, don't make them so crispy this time." Apparently he wants to make a sandwich for lunch and have them now. So this is what they look like here. Let me put them on a plate and get rid of some of this grease. Okay, so here's your bacon all nicely cooked up, 13 minutes on 400 degrees in the oven. There's going to be a little cleanup. As soon as that cools off, I'll be rolling up the aluminum foil and then tossing it. Pan still clean. Now I had 2 pieces of bacon left over. Microwave them for 4 minutes. Those look better. So, easy way to cook bacon. Nice, quick, easy cleanup. Give it a whirl. Bye. Have a good day.